There is so much beauty around us, and I believe that everybody is beautiful. We are all self-conscious of our body and how we move and all that, so you need to trust that the photographer is going to picture your best self, the most beautiful self, but your natural self. What is interesting is when someone posts a picture and suddenly they have lots of comments. Say, oh wow, you look beautiful, or oh, this is such a great picture of you. I didn't create it. She is beautiful. It's just a matter of how you look at each moment. My client ran a Facebook ad, and she did it in 3 different ways. So she had her own picture of herself, a stock photo, and then she did the same thing, same text, with one of the pictures that I took of her. And the difference in engagement was really amazing. She had imagined that it was going to make a difference, but she didn't realize how much of a difference it would make. It's a very nice feeling when somebody posts a picture and you have that wave of love that the person received. It helps for your business, but it also helps a lot for your self-confidence. It's hard to post pictures of yourself on social media. And when you have a business, you kind of don't have a choice. You have to show up. Also, when you can trust someone to work with you and be happy with those pictures and feeling, yeah, that's me and I look beautiful and actually I want to share them, it makes your life so much easier as a business owner.